Okay, guys, be careful out there, okay? Right now, the weather is pretty dangerous. It's gonna be dangerous winter storm to bring heavy, wet snow, freezing rain, hazardous travel, and potentially power outages. I'm gonna be showing you some of these clips, okay? Thank you. Okay, so this is the first clip of my dogs. This is her first snow ever. She's kind of curious about it. This is the zoom in footages of the houses with the snow. As you can tell, it's getting slowly. It's slowly getting there. It's slowly getting bad. Well, slow motion. Well, it's getting worse. It's getting worse. Yeah, you can tell this is pretty heavy. Just maybe try not to go out too much. Freezing rain. Freezing rain.